Hey, did your turbo blow on your truck and left you stranded out where ain't nobody out? That's the last thing you need to happen. If you're looking to replace your blown turbo or you're itching for an upgrade, come to the right place.
Ready? From LML to 22 L5P, 6.7 powerstroke Cummins, no matter what it is, we've got all your turbs needs covered. From the renowned Stealth STR series turbo kits for your 5th gen Cummins and for your early Dodge model guys, to the ATS turbos that'll make your early model LB7 roar, we have got it all. Need a compound kit, big single, BGT, non-BGT. We got big name brands like No Limit, we got Stealth, we got ATS, and so many more. Bigger and better performing turbos are especially important for you guys wanting to beef up your engine with more power, get better towing and hauling capabilities, cooler EGTs, and a wicked sounding truck. We've got a whole stock of extra parts for you guys too, from intercoolers, piping kits, boost leak tester kits from Stealth. Whatever beast you're driving, we've got the turbo kit and parts to match. You name it, we got it.
So if you're ready for your next turbo upgrade, head up our website at dieselrcorp.ca, find the turbo that you need, and all of our tuning is compatible with all of our turbos.